Welcome to another episode of AMD Day Trader. I'm your host, Jamario Walker. Today is November 23rd, 2020, and we are looking at our 2-minute chart of AMD. So this is our opening bar here. We gapped up pretty large from 84.70 all the way to 85.64. So almost $1 gap up. I'll go ahead and write the range off. That's our initial gap. We broke out of that range pretty forcefully with the 50% retracement. We bounced up, and already we're above all of our moving averages already. So, straight looking at this from the open, we're already above all of our moving averages. That's very bullish to me. I was expecting maybe a small bounce off of the 200, but we cleared it completely, and we never touched it again. So seeing we're above all the moving averages, I wanted to take a long position early this morning. See here, we were able to go long first at 934, which is here. So went long here, bought 3 contracts, 3 of the 82 calls. Then we bought, let's see here, 5 more at 937. So here, bought 5 more. We held those 8 contracts. Let's see here. We held those 8 contracts and didn't let them go until 943 when we first started to sell. So from 943 to 946, we sold our first 5. So we sold some here. And the remaining, let's see here, from 947 to 950. So from here till about here, we sold the last here. So we let go of those 8 contracts in this area here, all 8. Just reading the price action, seeing that we were extended from our 8-period moving average. These are pretty big moves. See, each one of these massive moves is about from 86.30 to 87.06. So that's a 70-cent move. Each one of these guys is a major push up, 60-70 cent. At each one of those major pushes, it's not a bad idea to sell one of your contracts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not a bad idea to sell it once you get extended from that 8-period moving average. Because anytime you're extended from a moving average, you will come back and retrace that moving average. You will come back to touch it. And that moving average will function as a support or resistance level for you. So we got out close to the top of this massive push. And we had a pretty good return today, a total return of 802 from these 8 contracts, buying here at this flattening area and take it into this forceful push up, forceful move up. We didn't stay in these trades long. We didn't have to because of the forceful moves. I mean, each one of these moves is almost $1, and you can't sustain moves like that for very long. So it's best to read that price action and get out when you can before you start to lose your profits. And as you can see right now, it is now 10:02, and we're starting to lose a little bit of that forceful move up. So as of right now, what I'm looking at, this is our top right now for the day. Now, we probably will retest this level and go through it sometime today, but right now, this is functioning as a top for us, pushing the price action down. We're teetering right now. We're already, through the 8. We're about to touch the 13, so we'll see what happens. But we are out of our trades. 8 contracts in this area here, sold up here, for a total profit of 802 today. So not a bad way to start the week. That is all for now, though. We will get ready for tomorrow and hopefully, carry suit and keep this trend going for the rest of the week. This is Thanksgiving's week, so we'll be no trading on Thursday, and then Fridays an early day. I think the market closes at 1 o'clock. So this is a short trading week, but we'll make the most of it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you the next time. Thanks.